Welcome back to CarOG 765. Today, we're taking a nostalgic trip back to the golden age of American automobiles, the 1955 Ford Fairlane, a car that defined style, comfort, and innovation in the mid-1950s. So, buckle up, because this ride is all about chrome, class, and the charm of post-war America. A glimpse into history. The Ford Fairlane was introduced in 1955, named after Henry Ford's estate in Michigan, Fairlane. This car wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of success, launched during a time when America was booming with optimism. The Fairlane replaced the old Crestline series and instantly became Ford's flagship model, offering 6 different body styles, from sedans to convertibles and the stylish Crown Victoria. The 1955 model year marked a fresh start for Ford: new design, new engines, and a bold new identity. Exterior design, the beauty on wheels. When you look at the 1955 Ford Fairlane, you're instantly drawn to its classic two-tone paint job, a signature of the 1950s. The long, sweeping side trim, the wraparound windshield, and the chrome detailing gave it a sleek, futuristic appearance for its time. The front grille, wide and confident, symbolized American pride, while the massive chrome bumpers made it look bold yet graceful. Available colors like torch red, goldenrod yellow, and sky haze green made it stand out wherever it went. And of course, who could forget the Fairlane Crown Victoria Skyliner, with its unique transparent glass roof section, something you'd rarely see even in today's luxury cars. This car didn't just turn heads, it stopped traffic. Interior design, comfort and class. Step inside the 1955 Fairlane, and you're instantly taken back to the elegant 50s. The interior was a perfect mix of luxury and simplicity, bright colors, polished chrome accents, and a clean dashboard layout. The two-tone upholstery matched the exterior, giving the car a unified design language. Large, comfortable bench seats could easily fit 6 passengers, perfect for American families of the era. The dashboard featured aircraft-inspired styling, a trend back then, with round gauges and a wide steering wheel that made driving feel powerful yet relaxed. Optional features like AM radio, air conditioning, and power steering made it feel advanced, proving that comfort was just as important as performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1955 Fairlane offered multiple engine options, giving customers flexibility based on their driving style and budget. The base model came with a 223 cubic inch inline-6 engine, producing around 120 horsepower. But the real star was the 272 cubic inch, Y-block, V8, delivering 162 to 182 horsepower, depending on the setup. And for those who wanted more thrill, Ford later introduced the 292 cubic inch Thunderbird Special V8, pushing performance to new heights. Paired with a 3-speed manual or Ford O-Matic automatic transmission, the Fairlane delivered a smooth yet confident ride, perfect for both cruising on Route 66 and daily driving. It wasn't a race car, but for 1955, it had a solid balance of power, comfort, and control. Driving experience. Driving the 1955 Ford Fairlane was like floating on a cloud. The suspension was soft, soaking up bumps with ease, and the steering was light, ideal for relaxed highway driving. With the new ball joint front suspension, handling improved dramatically over previous Fords. And with power brakes and automatic transmission available, the Fairlane became one of the easiest full-size cars to drive in its era. It was a car designed for comfort, not for racing, but its V8 power ensured it never felt sluggish. Legacy and collectibility. The 1955 Fairlane wasn't just another Ford, it was a statement. It marked the beginning of Ford's modern design philosophy, inspiring generations of models that followed. Today, the 1955 Ford Fairlane has become a collector's favorite, especially the Crown Victoria Skyliner and the Sunliner convertible. At classic car auctions, a well-maintained Fairlane can fetch anywhere between $25,000 to over $60,000, depending on its condition and originality. Its timeless look and nostalgic appeal make it a true American classic, one that still captures hearts nearly 70 years later. Conclusion. The 1955 Ford Fairlane was more than metal and chrome, it was a reflection of the American dream. It combined style, comfort, and engineering into one unforgettable package. From its bold exterior to its elegant interior, and its dependable performance, the Fairlane remains a symbol of an era when cars had soul, and driving meant freedom. So, whether you're a collector, a classic car lover, or just someone who appreciates automotive history, the 1955 Fairlane deserves a special place in your heart. Thanks for watching Car AUG 765. If you enjoyed this ride into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car stories from America's golden age. And tell us in the comments, would you choose the 1955 Ford Fairlane as your dream classic car? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion burning. This is at Car AUG 765, where legends never die.